Hello guys, in this video we cover two topics. First is box plot and next we will work with images. Right, so in box plot first I will tell you what is box plot and how it's work, how to code in and how to represent in the chart in the graphical chart form. Next we will work with images. I will show you which library we use to when we work with image, how to display image, how to open, how to see the properties of the image. Right. So moving further, starting with box plot. So what is box plot? Box plot chart. It is simple a chart graphical representation of data which usually distributed the data means represent data in the five number summary. See example. This is the box plot chart and here we are getting this lines and this is nothing but the five line summary. See, for this I have this data like 40, 50 up to 120, then 2 and 190, right? So what is it is indicating? See that the, the bottom line. It if I extend this to here the like y-axis, I will get 2. So the bottommost line indicates the minimum value. The topmost point or a line represent the highest value. Highest value is 190 in this array, right? And this orange color line represent the medium of data. Means if you calculate the medium, what you will get, and same this line indicating, right? This line below the orange line below the median represent 25 percentile of a data, which is known as the first quartile, right? Above this, above median, we get 75 percentile of the data. Like, so I hope it is clear for you what is box plot and what it represents. To do coding for it, let's do the coding part for it. First I have to import numpy and pandas for it, right? So I'm just importing pandas first. Import pandas as pd. Then I import numpy as np. Then I import matplotlib as we are working with a graph. Right, next I'm using this percentage sign modulus sign for matplotlib inline, right? And it just run, it is not giving any error. Like now we have to we are giving the data for which we are working in. I'm giving this np in storing my data in data variable itself, np.array. I'm giving array, like simply giving very simple data so you can understand and see what how it is indicating 9 and 10. So this is very simple data. You can calculate the minimum, maximum, and you can also calculate the median itself right from yourself and see what the graph indicate. I'm just writing to comment plx dot box plot data, then dot show. Wait a sec, it is giving error. Oh, inside the show we are having the parenthesis that I was missing. Now I run this. Wait a sec, control C. Same code I am writing. Firstly plx dot box plot plt dot box plot, and hey, I'm using plx. That is wrong. That's what I am saying, because I had used I had taken matplotlib as plt and I'm using plx. That was giving error. See, this is the box plot chart. If you extend this line, it is somewhat 1. This is the median. If you calculate, it has got somewhat if I extend this, I got somewhat 5 something, and this is the maximum value. If you calculate, if you extend, you get 10 somewhat. This line indicate the third quartile, which is 75 percentile of the data. This is median, and this is 25 percentile of the data. Below this, it is 25 percentile of the data. I hope it is clear for you what is box plot and how to code it in Python. Right. Next, we will work with image. So to work with image, we have to work with this PIL library, and then working with image is very simple. You just have to import this image from PIL. Just I'm doing. Firstly, I'm importing PIL. From PIL, I am importing PIL import image. Right, I'm just running this cursor. I do not get any error. Then I'm just what I'm using. So DS. Suppose I use im equal to image image dot open. To open any image, first we need an image, right? So I'm just searching this computer image, not computer image. Suppose I'm searching simple pencil image. So this I got pencil image, and I'm saving it. One thing you have to be keep in your mind, you have to save your image in the same folder in which you have your this Jupyter notebook file. I'm saving it with the name pencil. Okay, now it is see, it is downloaded, and now I have to open it. I will just write the name of that image, and then the format, like JPG format my image is there. Now to display it, I just write im, means the variable name with it is being saved, is stored. See, my image is there. Suppose you want the size of it, so just you have to write im dot size. See, it is giving 231 comma 128 length into breadth something. Okay, suppose I have to know the file name, means which what is the name of this image. So I will just write im dot file name. See, pencil.jpg, it is the same name with which we had stored in our computer. Next, if you want to crop this, right? Suppose the size is this, and I want to crop it by half. So what I will do, I simply use a very small command, that is crop. Im.crop. Im is a name with which we had stored it. Like you have to write 0 comma 0 starting and starting. I want half of it. Half of it will be somewhat 115, right? And of this, like 213 ka half 115, and next it is 109 something. I'm just doing it, and see, our image is half. It is very मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही crop हो गया. You see how it is visible. I think it is visible for you. Okay, next what I will suppose I have two crops, not this. I want another crop, like just little thing, like if I write this 11 and 19, what in this case out, see, it is not giving any single output, and I'm just rewriting it because size is very small na. I'm just writing something big for it, like 115 and 190, and now I'm running it, and see the crop, it is cropped somewhat half now, right? Okay, I hope it is clear for you. Now it is half. Not half, means somewhat this size. The size is now this. Suppose we want the format description of this image, so what we will do, like, see here we had completed the displaying of image, means how to import the library and that, and we get the size of image. The size of image was different, right, from this. Then we got the file name. If we want the description, right, means in which format it is saved, I just write image dot format description. See, the description spelling is somewhat wrong. I was guessing. Hey, no, no, spelling is not wrong. It asks the underscore. See, this types of error occur many times if when you work with anything, any data in that in any programming languages, underscore can cause bigger problem. See, this is the format of the description of my image. Next, so we have done with cropping, we had done the description, we had done how to get the file name, we had done how to see the image size, and this is the thing we had covered now. So I hope it's clear. Thank you.